Welcome to solverfy.
Alright guys, we're doing problem 22 of chapter 18 in Chemistry Central Science. So the ultraviolet spectrum can be divided into three regions. UVA, which is 315 to 400 nanometers, UVB, which is 280 to 315 nanometers, and UVC, which is 100 to 280 nanometers. So photons from which region have the highest energy and therefore are the most harmful living tissue? That's going to be UV. That's going to be as the ones that have the highest energy are going to have the shortest wavelength, and that's going to be UVC. Let's see, short wavelength means higher energy. So in the absence of ozone, which of these three regions, if any, are absorbed by the atmosphere? And that's so N2 and O2 and even atomic oxygen, they absorb photons having wavelengths that are shorter than 240 nanometers. So anything lower than 240, those atoms can deal with. So the only one that has a nanometer of less than 240 is UVV. I can't talk. It's UVC. UVC is absorbed by UVC photons from 100 to 240 nanometers will be absorbed by nitrogen and oxygen, and even atomic oxygen as well. So appropriate concentrations of ozone in the atmosphere is all of the UV light absorbed free near surface? If not, which regions are not filtered out? Okay, so for N2O, I'm just going to put N2, O2, and O. They filter out 100. So they filter out less than 240 nanometer. For ozone, this filters out the region from 240 to 310 nanometers. Yes. And you can see this if you go to figure 18.4, you can see like the actual spectrum at which ozone absorbs. So, yes. So we have a sample. So that means anything from 310 to below 270, that's going to be filtered out through ozone, and also the other molecules in our atmosphere. However, you'll notice that anything above 310, that's not going to be absorbed. So that means the lower end of UVB, those last 5 nanometers from 310 to 314, those are going to go through, and 315 to 400 are also going to go through. So both these regions are going to go through. UVA will mostly go through. UVB will slightly go through. Or it's at the longer end.